To be very honest, my skincare routine is one of the most important parts of my life.
Everybody's skincare routine should be the most important part of their lives. So love it. Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are going to react to Alia Bhatt's skincare routine. I'm gonna suggest a few affordable products which you can use in your skincare routine to recreate Alia Bhatt's skincare routine. So let's get started.
Let me introduce you to my best friend. This is my skincare kit.
So she is showing a skincare kit, like a travel friendly pouch to carry your makeup and skincare. I have a similar one here. I'm gonna link it in description box. They are super duper affordable. I think I got mine for rupees 300. I'm gonna leave the links down below और photo मैं यहाँ लगा दूंगी.
So I'm constantly doing my skincare everywhere.
Because
we have all
skincare
these
is
products.
life.
But before doing my skincare, क्योंकि मैं अभी सो के उठी.
Okay, so that's a wonderful way to start, kickstart your day when you are so enthusiastic about your skincare. अगर आपकी बॉडी की टेंडेंसी वाटर रिटेंशन की है तो आपका फेस काफी पफी लगता है, the under eye area and cheeks and neck वाला area. So it's good to start your skincare with massage. So that's a good takeaway from Alia Bhatt's skincare. She has used MAC Prep and Prime, which is a wonderful thing to use in your skincare before you start with the makeup. But let's talk about its MRP. This is for 1900. I'm going to suggest you an affordable product which is right here, and I really love it. This is the Bioderma Tonique. This is their soothing moisturizing toning lotions which you can use if you are not someone who prefers cream for massages. And even if you prefer cream, this can act as a wonderful toner to start your skincare routine with. Let's move on. Also, the massager that she has used is from House of Beauty Sculpting Tool / Face Massager. It's again really expensive. This one retails for 2100. So you've got cheaper options available in the market. I'm gonna link a few. I can list something like this in description box under 500 rupees.
Eye cream is very important. जो under eye cream है, eye के अंदर मत करना.
Alia Bhatt is known for her lame jokes. So the eye cream. Okay, so eye cream में जब बात आती है तो eye cream में ना बहुत proper division है skincare industry में. There are people who believe that eye creams work, and then there are who do not believe that eye cream works. So I'm on this side of it. So I feel if you have retinol or vitamin C in your skincare routine, you do not specifically need something for your under eye area. But if you are someone who would like to try a few eye creams, I can suggest you a few. The one which she is using is from Pharmacy Beauty eye cream. It's called the Do It All eye cream, and this one retails for $32. That means it's roughly around 2383 and 2383. It's pretty expensive for the quantity of eye cream. So you can go for something like Dot & Key Retinol plus Caffeine eye cream. I have not used it personally, but the ingredient list is wonderful. It has retinol which helps in cell turnover. That's one thing. And then another thing is that it has caffeine. So caffeine is amazing for just depuffing your under eye area. This retails for rupees 795, but you can find it on sale on Amazon. I think it's going to do the equal kind of a job if you do not have retinol or vitamin C in your skincare as it is. So आप ये eye cream ले सकते हो.
This is like a watermelon glow niacinamide.
Niacinamide.
Pronounce this word properly. Niacinamide.
So she's right, niacinamide is an amazing skincare ingredient. If you have very visible open pores, तो claims ऐसे हैं कि 2 से 3 महीने में niacinamide can help in the reduction, in the visibility of those pores. So basically it can help you out with that. If you feel that you are secreting a lot of oil, again you can use niacinamide in your skincare routine. But for me, I have not been facing any of these kind of issues, so I have incorporated vitamin C instead in my skincare routine. And the product that I use is this one from Klairs. So this is the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drops. This one retails for around 1500 or 1600 for 35 ml of quantity. If you can buy that, great. If not, then you can go for another cheaper alternative vitamin C which is equally good, and this one's from Minimalist. So this is their Minimalist vitamin C 10% plus AG 1%. Good formulation, no nonsense kind of a vitamin C drop. This one is for $6.99, but I got it in sale for rupees 500 or something, and the quantity is 30 ml. So I feel this is a good alternative if you want to include a serum in your skincare routine. Now if you talk about niacinamide ke liye bhi I have an alternative which is great, again from the brand Minimalist. I have not used it myself, but I've heard amazing reviews. So if you want me to try niacinamide from Minimalist and give a dedicated review, comment down below. Yeah, and the one she is using from Glow Recipe, that's their Glow Recipe niacinamide. This one retails for $34, and the price in rupees would be 2,530 rupees something. And this is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So yeah,
जो भी मैं अपने स्किन पे लगाती हूँ, मैं अपने नेक पे भी लगाती हूँ, तो फाइन लाइंस वगैरह आते हैं.
she's totally right, and here it should not be. You should put it on your neck and this area for sure. Hands not necessary, it's fine.
Okay, the next thing I'm gonna put are these caffeine solution drops. Okay, it's totally healthy.
So she is going in with caffeine solution drops. Now these should be the first step before the eye cream, but it's okay. But I would suggest if you are using something like caffeine drops, go for them before any of the products on your under eye area. One which she is using is from the brand The Ordinary. This is a caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG, and the price is rupees 6.7 USD. It's available on Amazon, but India mein unke prices different hain. Obviously uske shipping ke charges, and since it's an international brand which is not specifically available in India, uske charges obviously bahut zyada hain on Amazon. If you talk about the alternative for the caffeine solution that she's using, you can go for Dr. Sheth's Chamomile and 2.5% caffeine for the under eye area, and I think this should replace your eye cream, so you should be good to go with just this product. If you feel that there's a lot of puffiness under your eye as soon as you wake up, and if you are looking for something like caffeine solution, this is not a mandatory skincare step, so please do not try to buy everything and then start your skincare routine. Start with one new product at a time, and only if it is required. So the Dr. Sheth's eye cream, it retails for around $450 or something on Amazon. I think this is a good buy if you're looking for something to replace your eye cream, and if you are looking something to depuff your eyes. Yes.
Once that is done, I put moisturizer. Moisturizer में उसका benefits मतलब I don't think I need to explain that to you. It's extremely important for hydration.
Okay, now moisturizers and moisturization. If you've been following this channel since so long, you know how much important it is. It's like the life of skincare routine, okay? And I love how much emphasis she's also paying to the moisturization step. That's amazing. Now talking about the product which Alia Bhatt has used, it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Again, an expensive product given the quantity. So this one is for around 1600 or so in Indian rupees, and it's not easily available on Nykaa or any of the websites. If you have really dry skin and you're looking for a good moisturizer, I can suggest you two. I'm showing one in the video. This is the Bioderma Atoderm cream. This is for I think around 500 or something. You just need a little bit to go long. So that's about the product for dry skin. And if you talk about the moisturizer for extremely oily skin, I would suggest you can go for something like this. Now this is from brand Cosrx. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized for all day long without feeling heavy or greasy. So this is an amazing product. Now some of you will say that the price is almost equal. So this is again I think for something like 1800 or so. But let's talk about Alia's moisturizers. That is from Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. It's only 56 ml or I think 60 ml for 1500, and this is 190 ml for 1600. So you can do the maths and take your call.
Sunscreen. Guys, I can't explain how important sunscreen is. लोग कहते हैं कि मैं sun में तो जा नहीं रहा हूँ. Why should I put sunscreen? No.
Let's talk about the final step, sunscreen, and it is again very, very, very important, okay? Make sunscreen a habit, a must before you leave your house. So Alia Bhatt has used Innisfree sunscreen, and this one is for 1500 for 50 ml of quantity. First of all, quantity is really less. Second, this sunscreen is not easily available online. It's most of the time out of the stock. So I can give you a few alternatives. You can use this one from Bioderma. This is their Bioderma Photoderm Max 50 SPF sunscreen. I have another affordable option, which again you must have seen in almost all of my videos. This is the one from Neutrogena, and this is their Neutrogena 50 plus SPF Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. This is like 500. So again, a good affordable option, but a lot of people find it a little sticky as compared to the other sunscreen. But I find it just fine. Like if you have dry skin to normal skin, this would work wonderfully well on your skin, and this again is good for all skin type. You can go for that, and please let's not underestimate the damage that sun does to your skin, and make sure that you follow up with sunscreen every day. Another comment that I have to make after seeing her video is that she has used very little bit of sunscreen, but it's fine for her. Maybe she's every time indoors, you know, protected pura set pe, but that's not the quantity you use. You use triple the quantity of what she has used. So make sure you're using proper quantity and sunscreen for sure.
Okay, एक चीज मैं कहना भूल गई. All this I have done after cleansing my face.
Okay, so obviously, so make sure that you cleanse your skin properly before you get started. Now, if you talk about the recommendations that I have one from Cetaphil, amazing, one from Bioderma, wonderful, and the third one from Minimalist that I'm using right now. So Minimalist one is great for people who face a lot of blackheads and whiteheads वाला issue. उनके लिए Minimalist वाला अच्छा है. बाकी दो normal skin type के लिए अच्छे हैं. And fourth one जो मैं suggest कर सकती हूँ is from Simple. That is also very nice for sensitive skin. So all of the 4 sunscreens in description box below. So that is it for her video, and I think that is it for our video as well. She's done good skincare, and obviously she would do good skin because she has access to all of the great dermatologists in the world. So I think this pretty much shows you that even if you're a celebrity, these steps are, you know, must. Sunscreen, moisturizing, cleansing are the basic, like most basic, and do not skip kind of steps that you should do. So I think that is it for today's reaction on Alia Bhatt's skincare routine. Let me know how you like this video, and if you'd like me to do a skincare routine using these products, comment down below. I'm going to see you again. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Bye.